माइक्रोप्लास्टिक जो कि मोस्टली हमारे स्क्रब्स में, फेस वॉश में जो प्रेजेंट होते हैं या मेकअप में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, व्हाट दे कॉजेस, दे ऑल्सो आपके स्किन बैरियर को डैमेज करते हैं।
Can a 300 rupees cream outperform a 3000 one? Is the difference really in the results or just the label? Welcome back to Inside Your Skin podcast. I'm your host Vaishnavi. In this episode, we are cracking the code behind skincare pricing with the help of skincare expert who looks beyond the branding. Joining us today, we have dermatologist Dr. Sweety Daral Tomar, who is here to help us separate skincare science from shiny packaging. Welcome, Dr. Sweety.
Thank you so much for having me here. It's a great pleasure to be here and to have this conversation, and it's really excited to talk about skin, science and everything in between.
We are so glad to have you here, doctor. So, doc, let's just start simple. So, why do some creams are priced at 300 and the other at 3000? Like, what's the real difference? Like, is it something with the price tag?
Well, that's a great question, because when it comes to the high price tag, there are often two major factors that plays a major role in that. First one is the clinical research and the proven efficacy. What high brand or the luxurious brand do is they invest more in the clinical trials, stability test of the product, and also the patented active molecule of the product, because their formulation is having the higher concentration of the active ingredient, so thereby goes the higher price of the product as well. And the second factor which we all know, that is the marketing. अब हम सबको पता है जो हाई एंड ब्रांड्स होती है या हाई प्राइस ब्रांड्स होती है, दे इन्वेस्ट मोर ऑन द मार्केटिंग एंड द एस्थेटिक्स, स्पेशली द सेलिब्रिटी एंडोर्समेंट और द ग्लॉसी पैकेजिंग और दोज luxurious ingredient. But that doesn't mean that it will work on your skin or it will give you a better result, because I have seen some budget friendly product also, they are using the active ingredient but they don't have any glossy packaging or any marketing gimmick associated with them, and their price is low but they are working well on your skin. So it's not necessary that you have a luxury brand that it will work for your skin the best, and while the budget friendly brand won't work for your skin.
I think यही शायद एक चीज है जो हम जैसे कॉमन पीपल मिस कर जाते हैं. वी सी एन एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट, हमें लगता है कि हाँ चलो ये महंगा है तो ये अच्छा ही होगा, बट हम भूल जाते हैं शायद इस हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स में भी माइक्रोप्लास्टिक्स हो सकते हैं.
But nowadays there are companies that are coming with 100% microplastic free formulation, and I think in India, I think it's your only company, La Pink, who has come up with this initiative, and I'm very happy to say that it's a very good initiative, because generally what luxury brand, what they do is they only think about the marketing and this endorsement and about the active ingredient and the gimmick. But I think La Pink is the first company who is, instead of this, they are also thinking about their consumers' health also, and that is more important than those marketing gimmicks.
So doc, जैसे कि अभी summers आ चुके हैं, there would be a lot of people talking about sun damage, but you would not see people talking about the damage that microplastic could be causing to your skin. So क्या आप हमारे ऑडियंस को if you could just make them understand the difference between both of them one by one?
जो सन एक्सपोजर में जो यूवी रेज और बेसिकली जो यूवी लाइट होती है, उससे हमारी स्किन डैमेज होती है, बट व्हाट इट विल कॉजेस की पिगमेंटेशन, फाइन लाइंस, रिंकल्स, फोटो एजिंग, वो सब आपको फेस पर आपको दिखाई देता, फेस, स्किन और ऑल ओवर योर बॉडी. बट व्हाट माइक्रोप्लास्टिक जो कि मोस्टली हमारे स्क्रब्स में, फेस वॉश में जो प्रेजेंट होते हैं या मेकअप में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, व्हाट दे कॉजेस, दे ऑल्सो आपके स्किन बैरियर को डैमेज करती है, जिससे आपकी स्किन पे इन्फ्लामेशन आती है और थोड़ी सी इरिटेंट आपकी स्किन दिखाई देती है. बट विद दैट स्किन, फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आज आपने अभी सुबह फेस वॉश किया एंड इट हैज माइक्रोप्लास्टिक, तो आपके स्किन बैरियर ऑलरेडी डैमेज हो गया है, राइट? और अब उस डैमेज स्किन बैरियर के साथ जब आप सन एक्सपोजर में जाते हो या जब आप धूप में जाते हो विदाउट यूजिंग अ प्रॉपर सनस्क्रीन और विदाउट यूजिंग अ प्रॉपर मॉइस्चराइजर, तो आपका जो सन डैमेज है वो डबल हो जाता है. तो वन इज बिकॉज ऑफ the microplastic, and plus add on another damage is because of the sun exposure. तो जो आपका पहले ऑलरेडी माइक्रोप्लास्टिक ने डैमेज किया और फिर जब आप धूप में गए तो वो आपका डैमेज डबल हो गया.
So doc, next up we'll be playing a game. myth or fact ka. So I'll be asking you few questions related to skincare and you tell me whether it's a myth or a fact. Expensive skincare always works. Myth or fact?
Myth. It's not at all necessary whether your product is expensive or cheap. It's all about the ingredient that are present. Like I have said it many times, it's all about the active ingredient and the concentration.
Fragrance free means safer for skin. Myth or fact?
Not at all. In fact, if you have a sensitive skin, you should never use any product that has any kind of perfume or the fragrance present, because it can cause major irritant to your skin and your skin get inflamed, redness.
All parabens are dangerous. Myth or fact?
Parabens are dangerous. Yeah, all are dangerous.
That's a fact. Microplastics don't affect skin. Myth or fact?
Myth. Microplastic does more harm to your skin than any good. In fact, it doesn't do any good to your skin.
And the last one, consistency is more important than cost. Myth or fact?
Absolutely. Consistency is the key. Discipline and consistency help you in every aspect of your life, especially when it comes to your skin care.
So it's a fact.
It's a fact.
So Dr. Sweety, if there would be one thing that you would want the audience to take away from this episode, what would that be?
First of all, understand your skin type and your skin concern. Look for the active ingredients and their concentration. Do not chase after those high price and brands, because it's better to go for a product that is suitable for your skin need and your skin concern than the cost. And the main important thing that I always say, consistency is the key. And look for the label, and microplastics are a big no.
So here you have it. Price doesn't really define the performance. भले ही वो 300 का हो या 3000 का हो. The best product is one that is honest with what's actually going inside it. And thank you so much, Dr. Sweety, for joining us today and helping us understand this basic difference.
Thank you so much for having me here, and it's always excited and it's always a pleasure to talk about skin, science and everything in between.
If this episode helped you decode your skincare shelf, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this with your skincare savvy friend or with someone who just bought a 3000 rupees skincare just by looking at its label.